Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So like you all know that previously we have covered up really different things using C++ from start, and I hope you are enjoying all the tutorial videos which we have covered up yet in C++. So in this video we'll be learning about Boolean expression. Like you all know that in previous video I have told you about Boolean values, that how you can use Boolean values in C++, what are the elements you have to use when you're starting with Boolean. So in this video we'll be learning the same thing, but we'll be learning with expressions, that how we can use Boolean expressions in C++, what are the elements which we have to put when we are working with Boolean expression. So in this video I'll be telling you all the things about Boolean expression from a start. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy this amazing tutorial video of Boolean expression, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. And also share this video so more people can learn that how we can start with Boolean expression in C++. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with this amazing video from start. So now here we are on the computer screen. Like I've told you in the start that in this and today we'll be learning that how we can start with Boolean expression, and in previous video as well I've told you that how you can start with Boolean. And now in this video we'll be learning about Boolean expression, that if you are starting with Boolean expression, so what are the things you need to learn about it. So if we talk about Boolean expression, so Boolean expression returns a Boolean value which is either 1 true or 0 false. Means it is just saying us that if you talk about Boolean expression, so Boolean expression always returns a Boolean value which is either 1, the output you will be getting is 1 as well, and the other value which you will be getting when you're returning a Boolean expression, it will be as 0, which means false. This is useful for building logic and finding answers. You can use a comparison operator such as greater than operator to find out if an expression or variable is true or false. It is saying us that you can use a comparison operators which is greater than operator, so that you can find out that if an expression you're using is a variable which is true or false. Example, you can just see here the first variable we have created of x, in which we have written the value as 10. Then the second variable which we have created is of y, in which we have written the value as 9. And like this we have written this count value, in which I have written a number value which is as x. Then I have written the greater than operator, in which I have written y, so that I can get the output and I can see that what answer I'm getting. So the answer you will be getting as 10, because 10 is higher than 9, and that's the thing, because you're using this greater than operator, and that is the thing that you will be getting the output as true, means you will be getting the return as 1. So that's the thing, because we are using this greater than operator and we are using these variables, so you will be getting the output as 1 because x is greater than y. If we talk about 10, so 10 is greater than 9, so that's why the output you will be getting as 1 and true equal to 1. So that's the thing. Then if we talk about another example that you will be writing, will be as 10 greater than 9, so then also you will be getting the same output which will be as 1 because 10 is greater than 9, and that's the thing that you will be getting, and again output as 1 because true equal to 1, and that's true value, that 10 is greater than 9. In the example below we use the equal to operator to evaluate an expression, that if you use an equal to operator if you want to evaluate any expression, so how you can do that. You can use same example here that I've used of x variable, then I've written same value as 10. Then I've created a count in which we have now written these less than operators 2 times. Then we have written this x, in which I've used this equal to operator, and in this equal to operator I've written a value as 10 again. So it will be returning me the true value as 1 because the output which we are getting is 10, and the value of x is equal, means x is 2 times equal, and you will be getting the output as 10 because the value is same. That's the thing. Then if we talk about another example, that if you want to get the output with equal to but with a different value, so you will be getting the 0 value with false, because now these two values are not equal, these two values are different, and that is the thing. That's why you're getting the output as 0, because right now we are just using this equal to sign and then we are writing different values, but these are not same value, and then you will be getting the output as 0 because 0 equal to false, or you can say false equal to 0. And if you talk about here, so in x we have written the value 10, so that's why x equal to 10, so both are same values, and you will be getting the output as 1. So that's why you are getting the output as 1 because this is the true value, and here we have used two different values, so that's why you will be getting a different output which will be as 0, which means false. Then what I'm going to do is, if I copy this example here, which we have just written, and if I just paste it in my VS Code, so like this you will be getting the output different. So if I just paste these all things here and if I press tab, so you can just see we are using this count here and then we are using this x greater than y. So you will be getting the output as 1 because true equal to 1, and this is true that 10 is greater than 9. So that's the thing. Then if we create another variable, but now I will be creating with a different thing, like I will be now writing here count 10 greater than 9. So again you will be getting the same output because 10 is obviously greater than 9. So you will be getting the same output working as written 1, means it will be giving me another value which will be as 1, means these two things are true, and that's why you will be getting the output 1 because true equal to 1. Then if we move down and then if we print again another thing, like if you want to print this thing which is a equal to value, so you will be getting here true as well, because if we talk about x, so these are the same values which we are printing, and that's why you will be getting the same output here, which will be as true, because x equal to 10, in x we have written 10 as well, and normally we are getting the out, we are writing 10 as well, so means these two values are same, so that's why you will be getting the value returned as 1, which means it is true. If we change the value here to 12, so you will be getting an error here, means it you will be getting a false value here which will be as 0, because now we are writing the x value, in x we have written 10, but now here we have changed the value to 12, so that's why you will be getting a different output here, and that's the thing we have to do. So if we write here x and then if we write here 10, so then you will be getting the same output, but if I write here 12 and here as well 12, so you will be getting the same output, means you will be getting the output as 1 because true equal to 1, and we have written the same value 12 in x as well, and the same value we have written here as well, so that's why you will be getting the same output in two place, and you will be getting the return value as true. So that's the thing. So I hope you understand that how we are getting all these outputs and how we are getting these Boolean expressions working. Then if we see another Boolean expression which we have written, that if you don't write a value as compared to the second value, means if you write a wrong value after the second value, so you will be getting a output as false, because you are writing a value different here, and second you are writing a value different here as well, so that's why you will be getting the value as 0, because false equal to 0, and 10 is not equal to 15, means 10 is not equal to 15, 10 is smaller than 15 and 15 is bigger than 10, so that's why you will be getting the output as 0, which means false equal to 0, and that's the thing. So I hope you understand that how we can just work with Boolean expression and how we can use these greater than signs and the less than signs, so that we can get the different outputs here. So if you have learned about Boolean expression in this video from start, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel, because in coming up videos I'll be telling you more other things about Boolean, that how you can use Boolean values, how you can use Boolean expressions to create a program and to create more other things. Then if I move on to the Word document, there are more other things written about Boolean expression, that Boolean expression returns a Boolean value, means if you want to return any value with Boolean expressions, it will be only returning a value as Boolean value, and it can be either 1 or it can be either 0, which one means true. So if I move on to the computer screen, so like I was just telling you that Boolean expression, if we talk about the Boolean expression, so Boolean expression always return a Boolean value which is either 1 true or 0 false. This is useful for building logic and finding answers, like if you want to build any logic or if you want to find any answer using the Boolean expression, so you can do that, which is really good thing here. And like this you can get the output and you can get these all things working here, and that's the thing in Boolean expression. Like this you can use Boolean expression and you can get the output. So I hope you understand that how we can use Boolean expression and how we can work with it from start. So if you have enjoyed this video and if you understand all these things, so remember to see my all the previous videos as well, which I have uploaded in this playlist of C++ tutorial, so that you can take the benefit of that videos as well. And if you enjoy this video, share this video so more people can learn about these things, that how we can start with C++, how we can work with it, and what are the things really important if you're starting with C++ to learn. So I'll be meeting you in next project or in next tutorial video of C++ from start. So for today, goodbye.